a million times. You're no good for me. I should say goodbye, but your voice is mine.